Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Udoh, and every week I share content that can help you master your personal finance and grow your wealth. So in today's topic, we're going to talk about how to create income from IOT. Now you might be wondering, what is IOT? Now IOT stands for Internet of Things, and this is going to be the future in terms of the internet. Now before we jump right in, I just want to have a little disclaimer. I am not a tax professional. I am not a consultant. I'm just a regular guy on YouTube, just trying to share knowledge with my subscribers to help you get to the next level. So now that we have that out of the way, also I do not claim to be a technology expert, but since my channel is all about creating wealth, and one of the pieces of creating wealth is the income piece, which is why I'm trying to bring, cutting edge and latest information when it comes to, income and also being able to create wealth. Now, one of the most intriguing areas is Internet of Things. You might be wondering, what is Internet of Things? Now, most devices today, are connected to the internet. So whether it's your washing machine, your dryer, your refrigerator, cars, sensors, your water heater in your house, all new devices today at some point will have the capability of being connected to the internet. Now, for you to be able to connect to the internet, you need some form of network. So in this case, most people are familiar with, cell towers. You're familiar with your Wi-Fi in your home. So what the Internet of Things is going to come down to would be, all these devices, will need some form of network to be able to connect. Unfortunately, the current network system we have in terms of our major providers of cell service are very expensive. Now, for businesses or for homes or for individuals that need a way to, connect all their devices, it's going to come down to people who can provide, alternative ways for you to be able to connect your devices. And that's why it's so important that people who are on the cutting edge, who understand the importance of developing systems that will provide the connectivity for all these appliances will be on the cutting edge, and you stand to make some money out of this. So when you hear people talk about IoT, they're referring to Internet of Things. So like I said earlier, there are lots of devices out there today in terms of like your medical devices that transmit data, in terms of GPS trackers in vehicles, in terms of sensors in your home. So let's say you have a sensor that tells you when your water heater has a leak. You might have a sensor that detects motion. You might have a sensor that detects CO2 in your home. So all these devices are going to need some form of connectivity. And that's what I mean by Internet of Things. So if you can figure out a way, or if you can plug into a system that can provide the connectivity, for all these devices, and in return, you can get compensated, by being the middleman or being someone that provides, these services, then you're going to make a fortune. All right. So this is going to be the trend of the future. I know a lot of you probably hear about artificial intelligence or AI. There's really nothing called artificial intelligence, because machines or computers don't really have intelligence. They only have what we program into them. So when you hear artificial intelligence, it doesn't really mean that your computer will start to think for itself. Computers are running off of programs, and it depends on what program you put into the computer, and that's what the computer is going to do. So there's nothing, in my opinion, there's nothing like artificial intelligence. So when you hear artificial intelligence or AI, it's just a way to make something sound sophisticated. Computers, your laptop, your phone, your desktop all operate off of a program or programs, okay, that somebody, a human being, wrote, okay, and then installed into the system. All right, so the future is going to be IoT, okay, Internet of Things. So if you can get connected, or if you can plug into a system whereby you can provide this connectivity, okay, to devices, to companies, to homes, okay, you will stand to make a lot of money. So this is something for the future, or this, you know, it's already happening now, okay. It is already happening. I'm going to leave a link down below for you. You can check out the link right down below. It will have very important information for you when it comes to understanding what IoT really is and ways for you to make money from IoT. So like I said, I'm going to leave a link down below, okay, so make sure you check out that link right after this video, you know, to see the information I have for you down there with regards to, you know, areas or another opportunity for you to be able to earn some income from IoT. So thank you again for being here today. And like I said, you know, you have to stay on the cutting edge if you want to beat inflation, okay. You have to increase your income, like my previous video where I talked about the 4 areas of you know, personal finance, which is number 1, your income, number 2, your expenses, number 3, savings, and number 4, investing. So you need to master these areas, and these are the 4 areas that I'm mastering, okay, to get myself to the next level. This is 2022. A lot of people have, you know, New Year's resolution. We're already almost at the end of January, and I just want you to go back and look at your resolution to make sure that you are on track to, you know, and also hold yourself accountable when it comes to, you know, your resolutions, your goals, and, you know, your aspirations for 2022 and beyond. So again, thank you so much for being here. If you love my videos, make sure you smash that thumbs up button, and also hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so YouTube will notify you of my latest videos. And also it helps the algorithm share my content with other people like you who might be looking for information. So don't forget, check the link below for more information on IoT. You'll find that really intriguing, and I'll catch you in my next video, okay? Remember, be true to yourself, be true to your goals, and never ever give up. And I'll catch you in my next video coming up now. Take care. Bye bye.